The new phone will include a flight time sensor, which is expected to provide fast and accurate facial recognition. Like FaceID, the flight time camera on the G8 will use infrared light to build a 3D model of the subject and confirm the identity. LG has collaborated with Infineon to integrate its dedicated REAL3 ToF chip, which means that the phone will need less processing power and consume less power compared to other devices that rely on software algorithms for facial validation. In addition to authentication, the chip's depth measurement capabilities should allow selfies with enhanced bokeh effects, as well as a better AR/VR experience, although I hardly see how the front lens can be used in virtual reality applications. LG could also have other features in mind for the camera, as it included a phone with contactless gestures for the MWC. LG has decided to bet on a first-class design, while they had the opportunity to integrate the camera into a whole, as Samsung decided to do with its 2019 flagships. The G8 does not seem to have a headset either, so there is a less reason to have a bevel plus bevel at the top.